Hello YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be changing out the fog lights. I'm actually going to install some LED supposed yellow, color yellow type of fog lights. So make sure you guys stay tuned and here we go. Dirty dudes. All right, so I have the truck on ramps because I was actually just changing out the oil. I'll make sure I'll put a link over here somewhere. But if you're wondering why I'm still wearing the same, it's the actual same day I did the oil change. So let me show you guys how we're gonna be changing out these lights for some yellow LED lights. So those are gonna be your lights. I don't really think you need lifted, but it is a little bit easier. It's more comfortable. If not, you can actually remove this this plastic. But it is kind of difficult to remove those plastic rivets. But to remove those, they have like two little clips on each side, and you just want to put pressure on them and just to remove them, just you just want to put pressure right here on this clip right here and just take it off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little check before I actually put in the bulb. As you can see how bright these things are. All right, so you can see where these clips are gonna go right here. These two are gonna match with these two right here. Let me see if I could. They're gonna match with these two right here, and you just put pressure until you hear the click. All right, guys. So as I was saying, there are three little grooves that line up. There's gonna be one in the top right here, and the two are gonna be in the bottom, and actually gonna match up with your bulb.
Right here, and the two are gonna be in the bottom and actually gonna match up with your bulb.
So you can see those little lines, they're gonna match up over here. All right, as you can see the difference with the sun still out, and that camera actually doesn't give it any justice because it's super bright. Again, don't mind the oil. Alright, again, so to take it off, you have to put pressure on these two right here. Just put pressure. As you can see, the locks open, and you just put pressure in it. That's when you're putting it on. Also, don't forget about those grooves. It has 3 grooves right here, or 3 little lines. I don't know what you guys want to call them. And these match up with your harness, or stock harness, and your actual light lens in your truck. And you can see this one also has those little grooves. Make sure if you guys are going to reuse these, make sure you guys don't touch the bulb. Don't let any oils or type of greases touch the actual glass, because it would lower the lifespan of these light bulbs, the halogens. So be very safe. And as you can see, compared to the other ones, as I showed you on the other clips, there you go. I like this look. Right now, second, I'm gonna be telling you guys the reason I'm putting the yellow lights as fog lights instead of the white ones I have for my driver lights and the high beams. So right now I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm using the yellow/amber lights as fog lights. Also, make sure those lights actually are sealed properly. You don't want any openings, any little gap will make some moisture gather up in those lights, and that's when you start getting yellowing happening from the inside, and even mold sometimes happens. So make sure you guys actually install those correctly. You want a type seal. Like I said, you don't want moisture to gather in those lenses. You can see from inside the truck the difference with the. That's pretty cool. In the comments, someone wrote that the LEDs really don't go that far, and it's actually true. Right now, while I was driving, I was kind of testing it, and I wasn't going to record and drive at the same time, but the halogen, I think, does go a little bit further than the actual LED. But still pretty, it looks pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys right now how it looks. I do need to change that bulb right here. Look how cool that is. If you're curious on those lights right here, those are actually custom. I'll put a link somewhere over here on the top, so you guys can check them out, so you can see how I install those lights. And actually those cost me like $15, the bulbs itself. And right now I actually bought some Sylvanias, and it cost me like $25 with tax on the auto parts store. So I'm gonna change that up real quick and show you guys. I'm gonna go see the difference on the Amazon and Sylvania brand light bulbs, LED light bulbs. And these are gonna be it. The 7443Rs, and I think they're not that bright because they don't have an LED right here. So I think that's what makes these brighter. And these actually didn't burn out. As I was taking it off, I noticed that they were corroded. So it wasn't actually the LEDs that were failing. It was actually the corrosion that was gathering behind there. But again, I'm super disappointed on those Sylvania's LED lights. I'm not gonna lie, I think the Amazon LED light bulbs are brighter than the Sylvania ones. I don't think you could really tell that much on the camera, but you could see the illumination around the LED on the driver's side, and that's like the Amazon one. So I'm really surprised with that. You could even see the reflection on the floor compared to Sylvania's. Again, these ran me $25 compared to these that are run me 15. Again, if you're curious, check out the links. But I'm disappointed. Alright, so this is really cool. I don't know if you guys little journeys out there, you know, about this
Es un honor estar aquí. Hoy cumplimos 16 años. 16 largos años.
So I don't know if you guys knew this, but these trucks actually read DVDs. So again, look at the difference from the halogen to the LED. Again, it doesn't light up as far as the halogen, but they are bright. Turn on my. I'm really satisfied with these lights. Surprised at the same time how good they are. Show you guys my high beams, also LED. Alright guys, so here we are on the next day. I actually had to wait till the sun came out because I don't really like to record while it's dark. I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you guys the reason why I think the amber / yellowish lights are better for fog lights, better than compared to the white regular LEDs. So in my opinion, I think they work better during it's foggy or either raining compared to the white ones, because I remember when I went to driving school, they actually informed me that when you're driving during the rain or fog, you're not supposed to have your high beams on because it actually makes the light bounce back to you. Also, I noticed like on the Baja style racing, the trophy trucks usually use their yellow lights as well. Also the rally cars also go with those color of lights because they do a lot of driving during the rain and stuff like that.